about how for you to upsell success. So the first point I say, to find out why hairdresser cannot upsell, they are not confident to sell. That is the first point. The secondly is the knowledge. The knowledge is ask yourself how much knowledge you have about to taking care hair at home. Do you think you need it? Do you think you really think that is help your color or your service and is make huge difference with the people they don't do it? If you think that is important, naturally you share with customer, and then naturally the customer say, yep, that I need, and then they buy from you because they trust you, because they believe on your knowledge. So that's the second point. The third point is the upsell strategy. You have to go through the strategy, like 5 points I said before. Have to say what you want to say, what product for, and what make from, and how to use it, when to use it, and why do you need it. So that is go that 5 strategies. So when they believe you, they buy. The point 4 is you need to open the conversation with the customer. Have to ask the question to find out what the problem of customer, and then give them the solution. The next one, the point 5 of this is you have to share with them, talk with them more, and build a trust with them before you ask them to get that product. You have to tell them everything. Build a trust first. The next one is the last, is the do and don't. What you need to say, what should say, and what you should not say. So that is, if you go through of those points, you understand about that, use that, and then you will see you much confident about that. And then just naturally you can sell that. You don't want to push yourself, oh, I want to sell that, but it just naturally, they just ask you, oh, I need that, that is I need. In this 6 point, if you can have all those information, and then you understand that and use that and love those hair care products for yourself first, then you can able to sell that. All right, and you able to like confident to suggest for every single client.